to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, this morning Dwayne is talking about the obstacles that he's been facing, and he says he is tired of all the obstacles that he's been facing for the past year, the couple of years, because he's an educated youth. You know, as we all know, he's intelligent, he's super smart, and he's been faced with, you know, he has gone through a lot of stuff, you know, and from that he has been staying home. And so all these obstacles that he's facing, yet he's still overcoming all these obstacles, but he's tired of them. And that is seeming to get to him at the moment. But we all know that he's strong and that he will get past this, because this too shall pass, Dwayne. And he's talking about this. So go ahead and catch the video to see what he has to say. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And have yourselves a great day.
Is that a bad thing to want to be someone great? Don't we all aspire to be great human beings? Great at what we choose to do. Great, anything. Like if you're a doctor, if you're a nurse, whatever, you try to aspire to be the best of the best, right? And I want to be the best pertaining to what I'm doing, and that's blogging on other people's business. I want to be that. I do. I swear to God, I want to be an amazing influencer where people can say, "Oh my God, listen." I want to be like Andre, justify the madness. I do. I really, really do. And I know I have that. I know I have the potential. I have the potential. I do. I'm definitely educated. I have all the characteristics, all of the traits that should propel me. But you know why I keep going backwards? Because people keep on hindering me. My own people continue to hinder me. Let's be real. If I ever make it, I'm gonna pull some of you with me too. I'm gonna pull some of you with me. Listen, I'm not a selfish person. I'm not selfish. One thing I'm not is selfish. What I want for me, I want it for every single one of you in the live right now. Every single one of you, I want it for you too. I promise you. I've helped so many people to get their pages off the ground. So many. But you see me, I don't talk about those things, because if I do talk about it, thank you. So you can get off the page, and I'm gonna block you. I'm actually gonna block you. I've been blocked you before, but now you are gonna be permanently blocked. Get off. Get off. Don't come back either. And I'm never unblocking you. I want to be great. I've been pushing, Larry. I've been pushing. I push every day. But every day I face him like an obstacle. Every day I face some type of obstacle. Every day. Nothing I seem to be doing seems to be catching. At a point, I really did thought I was going somewhere to an extent. Don't you guys realize some videos I'm missing from my video? I took them down. My God. You're damned if you do and you're damned if you don't type. I swear, that's what I've been facing. I'm damned if I do. You're pathetic. Imagine you're calling me a madman, yet still you are a milestone follower. Make that make sense. Make that make sense. Mighty God of Daniel, where do you people come from? Joanne, where do you come from? Joanne, Joanne, who are you? Where do you come from to want to come call me mad? Do I behave like a madman? Do I have the characteristics of a madman? You are following a madman for more than a year. Let me see. More than 1 year you've been following a madman for. So who is the real mad person here? Is it me or is it you? Show me your company. Joanne, show me your company tells me exactly who you are. And the fact that you've been following a madman for more than a year, that shows, darling, birds of a feather flock together. You're a mad woman too. I'm very intelligent, and this is why they can't handle me, because they know I'm very, very intelligent. Yes, I'm not gonna pretend as if to say I don't know. One thing I will not say, right? I don't know a lot about the back end of Facebook. I don't, right? However, I'm trying to educate myself pertaining to how best to navigate this whole platform. Everyone on Dwayne Fletcher 2, please come over to Trending Drama, my other page. I'm on my main page right now. Yeah, she's very crazy, girl. Tamika, she's a fully madhouse production. She's mad. Edgar and clean. Them shit I follow mad people. Yeah, for more than a year, maybe more than 1 year she's been following me for. Look at her badge. She's a milestone follower. She's been following me for more than 1 year. Make that make sense, you mad blood. Nah, I'm about to say that. Girl, go and sit down. Mad people corner. Right, that's a girl. Yeah. Big up to all of my supporters. I love you guys. I love all of you. I swear, I will never stop telling you guys how much I love you. I love all of you with my entire heart and soul. You know the genuine ones who has been standing firm with me. I will never be able to tell you guys how thankful I am to all of you. I will never stop telling you guys. I will never stop telling you guys how much I appreciate you. I will never stop. Even on the day when the last trumpet shall sound, I will not stop telling you guys how thankful I am. Without you guys standing firm with me, I wouldn't be where I am right now. I would not be where I am. I swear to God. And only salvation, the good salvation of God, will last forever. Only that and that only. So you people coming out, they calling me madman, this and that and the third. Darling, death is appointed to every single one of us. Death is appointed to the madman, the mad woman, the psychopaths, everyone. The one that we are gonna dead out girl, mad and the mad, we're happy dead. You can't stay about madman. Alright, I'm mad, but I have a lot of ethics. I'm mad, but I have a lot of principles. I'm mad, but I have a whole lot of substance. And I'm mad, but I have a whole lot of values. What do you have? Oh, a bully to go around people's pages and harassing them? Right, you girl? Go and sit down. Have a seat over there in a corner and don't get out until I tell you to get out. And what I know you're still here. Do not comment on my page again. I will block you. I'm gonna block you. You have no manners. I came out here and I'm being what a motivational speaker right now. I feel like I'm being a motivational speaker right now, and you have the audacity. You have the audacity to want to come over here just to come and harass me. Girl, go and sit down. Go and sit in a corner. Go and sit in a corner and don't get out until I tell you to get out or something, you pathetic human being. I feel sorry for you. I really do feel sorry for you. May God have mercy on you if them look under them was. Teresa, you're so bad. Teresa, you're funny. Teresa, I love you. Teresa Adamson, I love you so much. Oh my God. Sharon, I love you too. Sharon Ricketts, I'm not gonna lie. Sharon, I will not stop telling you how much I value you. I will not stop telling Sharon Ricketts. Linda, good girl. My girl, guys, one of my old school buddies is on the live right now. Yeah. Sharon, don't address her. Do not address her. This is what they want. They come here to come with their distraction and to come with their unscrupulous mentality to get people out of character. And darling, I promise you, not one of you over Yassa will ever be able to get me out of character again. I've been said yesterday was the final time I was ever gonna like when influencers talk about me, that was the final time I was ever gonna respond to anything pertaining to me. Cause let's be real, I'm a big deal out here, and I'm not gonna go down to the pits with people who's not in my category. No day. They'll just see my numbers, 84,000 and counting, and I'm quite sure every single one of them, maybe minus a few, appreciates the way I've been conducting myself on my page. And if you don't, I'm sorry you feel that way. Linda, big up yourself. I am so sorry you feel that way, because I really have been trying my absolute best to give every single one of you the best version of myself, the person I always was. But listen, I don't know. Respect to the... Listen, I have no animosity in my heart for anyone, guys. I swear to God. And God sees and knows my heart. I want the best for all of you. And if any of you has pages that you want me to help you to try and grow, I will try my best to help you. I'm not a selfish person. I am not. I want the best for all of you. But